Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I Aparnika Sahu welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. In our previous videos, we have learned Teermanam Adavu 1 and Teermanam Adavu 2. If you missed Teermanam Adavu 1 and 2, so you can see it in my description box. And if you want to watch videos before that, and also you are new to my channel, then you can visit to my channel and watch all my previous videos. And if you find my dance videos useful, then please like my videos and share it with whoever needs it. So today we will learn the last set of Teermanam, which is Teermanam Adavu 3. The foot procedure in Teermanam 3 is exactly like that in Teermanam 2. But the process of doing the hands is completely different. So without delay, let's move on to the first part of Teermanam Adavu 3, and the bowl is Dhari Kit Tom. 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 In Teermanam Adavu 3, the step done by the feet will start from the right side, but when we do it with the hands, then our left hand will work, means the leg will move on the right side, but we will start with the hands from the left side. Now I am begin with the right side. For the posture of the hands, we will take Natyarambhi position first. Now we will bring the right hand towards the front. Similarly, when we start from the left side, we will keep the left hand forward. Now our right hand and left leg will work together. In number 1, the left hand will be taken backwards. In number 2, the hand will go upwards. In number 3, the hands will be bent and taken downwards with Katka Mukha to Ala Padma gesture like this. And keep in mind that when you bring your hands down in number 3, your other hand will go in Natyarambhi position. Now from here, we will do from the left side. So the hand that is downwards will come to the front and the other hand will go backwards. And also left foot will work with the bowl or Shollu Kattus. Dhari Kit Tom. 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 So this is the first part of Teermanam Adavu 3. See you in my next video. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.